Hey cheese lovers, are you looking for a monthly date night or family fun activity? I'm excited to welcome you to Board to Table, the virtual charcuterie experience where we're bringing fresh charcuterie board inspiration, styles, and flavors right to your kitchen table. I'm your host Alexis, founder of Grazing Gouda Charcuterie, right here in Lincoln, Nebraska. Join me each month for a spin on charcuterie. We're talking themes to elevate your snacking game. Think sophisticated holiday spreads, a global taste bud experience, exploring ingredients from all over the world, and discovering the art of using edible flowers to add that extra flair, just to name a few. On the first of every month, simply log in and uncover the latest themed board to table video. A week prior to the big reveal, you'll receive a grocery list along with wine and beer pairings, giving you ample time to swing by the store and stock up on all the essentials. Not feeling the cheese this week? Well, I cannot relate. But not to worry, you have the freedom to rewatch the videos from your account whenever you need a burst of inspiration for that upcoming dinner party or holiday gathering. Your charcuterie journey is always just a click away. So, whether you're a seasoned charcuterie enthusiast or a newbie, Board to Table is your passport to a year of delightful themed charcuterie creations. See you at the table.